Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure power and connections are stable. Plug your phone into Zlink with the original USB cable, set the phone to data mode, and turn the ignition to ACC. Once done, open Zlink's main menu and locate Settings. This is where the Reset option hides. You do this now so the device won't lose power mid-reset, which could brick the unit. Make sure the phone stays connected and awake. The Reset requires continuous communication between Zlink and your phone. You tap Settings, then navigate to Advanced or System, choose Factory Reset. When prompted, confirm that you understand this will erase paired devices and app data. Once you confirm, watch the progress bar and let the unit complete the wipe. Do not interrupt. The device will automatically reboot. After the restart, Zlink may run an initial setup routine. If it prompts for firmware reinstallation, allow the process to finish. This step clears corrupted settings that commonly break CarPlay links. You now finish by re-enabling CarPlay and pairing your phone again. Update Zlink firmware first if an update is offered. Once updated, enable CarPlay in settings and reconnect via the same USB cable. Accept prompts on both phone and Zlink so permissions sync correctly. If CarPlay still won't appear, try a different high-quality USB cable, reset your phone's network settings, and, as a last resort, reflash Zlink firmware following the manufacturer image. That single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.